Hey Sharon, did you hear about Mr. P's big giveaway? It is about email marketing.
But I do not have a list nor not a responder.
No problem, you will find a link below to a free home biz marketing platform.
Are you saying that the marketing platform includes a free autoresponder?
It includes all the tools that you will need all for free, and Mr. P's big giveaway is going to help build your list easily and fast.
Would you like to build your mailing list? If you've been trying to build a mailing list, or maybe thinking about building your mailing list and it hasn't working out so good, or you really don't know what to do, or you don't know where to begin, or you don't know where to start, well, that's what this video is all about. This is my big giveaway. Frequently I give away an internet marketing gift. It's free. It's 100% free, no strings attached, no email required. And this week's big giveaway is about email marketing. It is a threefer. You're going to get 3 email marketing books that you can use to help you to build your list in 2 ways, and I'm going to get to that in just a moment. If this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching. I am George Pierce. I create videos about making money online. If you would like to work online from the comfort of your home, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and I'll send you an update whenever I make a new video. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, click the first link below in the description and I'll send you the details. Getting back to the video, this big giveaway is about email marketing, and as they say, the money is in the list, and it really is. So it's going to help you to build your list. It's going to help you to build a profitable list. It's going to help you to build your list as quickly as possible. The reason for this particular giveaway, it ties in with a recent video about Systeme, and Systeme is a complete marketing system, and it includes an autoresponder, a free autoresponder, and it is kind of geared to building your list. And I wanted to add a little bit more ammunition because I've had a tremendous response as far as people signing up for Systeme. You will find a link below to the video as well as to Systeme if you want to check it out. I love it. I believe you will too. The email marketing, the ebooks that you're going to be getting are 21 email marketing hacks, and you're going to find out some stuff there that I think you're probably not familiar with, that you probably don't know. Email marketing expertise is the next ebook that you're going to be getting, and this is really going to help you as well as far as the getting that email marketing list started and building it as quickly and as profitable as possible. Also including how to generate sales with email marketing today. That's a short email report. There's like 7 steps in there, but these are so solid and so basic. It's really going to help you to get off to a running start. I do want to talk more about the big giveaway, but first, allow me to share a funny story with you. Yep, a joke. I think you'll enjoy this funny story. It's about the farm, and it's actually about John. And John runs a small farm in North Carolina. And one day he gets a phone call from the U.S. Department of Labor, and the guy on the other end says he is calling. His job is to enforce the Fair Labor Standards Act. He's claiming that John is not paying proper wages to his employees, so they're going to send an agent out there to interview him. Well, the agent shows up at the appointed time, and he introduces himself, and John notices the agent has got a black suit on, black tie, white shirt, kind of looks like an undertaker or maybe one of those men in black. And the agent tells him that he needs a list of John's employees and how much he pays them. John says, well, there's my farmhand, and he's been with me for 5 years, and I pay him $700 a week, and he also gets free room and board. There's also the cook, and she's been with me for 7 years, and she gets $600 a week along with free room and board. And then there's the Dimwit. He works about 18 hours every day, and he does most of the work. He does about 80% of the work around here, and he makes about $20 a week. Pays for his own room and board. I do buy him a bottle of whiskey every Saturday night. That's the guy I want to talk to, the Dimwit. John replied, that would be me. back to the big giveaway. All these ebooks are going to help you, of course, as far as list building. They're also going to help you because they're also going to include the ebook, the e-covers, as well as resell rights. Resell rights, what that means is that you're going to be able to not only use this for your own personal use to help you to build your list, you're also going to be able to use it as an incentive to help you to build your list. So if you want to use this as a giveaway, you can do that. In fact, if you want to resell it and keep all the money, you can do that as well. And if you'll check out Systeme, that's something else that you might want to consider giving away as well. The URL for the big giveaway is https://Cutley. That's cuttly.it-it-now. Build it now. https://Cutley, cuttly.builditnow, If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate that. It's good for the channel. Thank you so much. Turn that like button blue, and while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so I can let you know when these videos are published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. I am rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.